Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser two-wheel drive. Love the FJ, love the retro styling, and these are becoming some of the hottest collectibles on the Toyota market in today's current car world. So here you have this beautiful maroon on white top with the nice factory luggage rack up top. Beautiful alloy wheels, Goodyear tires all the way around. These tires are in great condition. They're 17-inch on the alloys, and the tires are coated from all 2016. But plenty of tread life left on them. Beautiful front bumper here. Look at that. Gorgeous headlights just gleaming and clear view. Just absolutely stunning. All powered by the 4.0 VVTi V6 engine. So this one is most notably in the Toyota Tacoma. And beautiful engine here. Just absolutely. What a powerhouse. This motor lasts unlimited amounts of miles. Just a very, very good engine. No leaks. This clean Florida truck. 2 previous owners, 1 minor accident on the auto check. Comes with these half doors, very unique. As you can see, they kind of tilt down, give you that plenty of space to just step right in. As you can see, it has those metal running boards and nice rugged FJ all-weather floor mats, but you can gain access to the rear of the vehicle pretty easily. As you can see, the speakers towards the back on those corners. Then this one comes with the upgraded gauge pod. That's for position when you're crawling on different elevations, and kind of shows the yaw sensor of where the vehicle is in accordance of its angle to the ground. And then you have your compass there and temperature gauge. Comes with the original owner's manual. And then I like how they did this, but they match the inner door panels here to the outside of the car. So you got maroon door panels there, very nice. And then they have FJ here on the floor. This one comes with a auxiliary port and charging port up here. And then we also have park assist. We have our wattage for our power outlets, because we have a nice 400 watt power outlet, standard indoor plug in the back hatch there. And then it has a limited slip differential, and then a nice differential lock. So comes with plenty of space here. A lot of little compartments, dual cup holders that are kind of spread out there, and then Toyota keyless entry, and then nice automatic transmission, killer looking shift knob. I mean, they have to follow it up with all kinds of nice retro features. I love these giant knobs. Really cool rig here. So this one comes with standard AC controls, Toyota radio, and that has a CD player and then AM/FM stereo. It also has satellite radio capabilities. And then you just get one vanity mirror with this one. So just on this side, the other one's just a standard sun visor. And then we couldn't have anything over here because that's where our airbags got to go. But on that side, got that nice storage compartment, and then the uniqueness of the 3 wiper blades. I mean, everything about this vehicle just is so unique that in the future these will definitely be highly collectible just for their uniqueness. You see they have the nice running light there in the side view mirror, but beautiful rugged stow and go up there, very nice. And then it comes with 4-wheel disc brakes on this one, and those big knobby mud guards. We also have Toyota towing package with a nice cap on there, if you're not towing anything. And then here's our nice big plug outlet there. So as you can see, nice rugged rear of the vehicle here. Some scratching on the plastics. As you can see, the scratching on the plastic. So it was, definitely used back here. It wasn't just show clean, but we have just some wear here just from that, around the outside of that spare tire back there. But all the plastics show really good. You just got that minor just chipping there off the corners, just for little bumps and bruises over the years. I mean, she's 2007, so she's been around, but 15 years old, only 2 previous owners. Very good there. Then these are our handles to exit the vehicle from the inside. Has all the VIN stickers present. Power options are windows and locks. The side view mirrors are over here on the dash, and then interior illumination. And I like how you have this whole knob here to change the AC vents from flowing to cut them off. non-flowing. And tilt steering wheel, our storage compartment, and then a beautiful leather wrap steering wheel. I mean, this is in stunning condition, folks. Very, very nice here. The emblem shows bright, and then you know, paint's all really good. So this is a smoke and pet-free vehicle. It smells really good on the interior, you know, so no problems there with any odd odors. And then it comes with our interval front and rear wiper on the right side stock. And then we have our volume and stereo controls, the steering wheel, but absolutely gorgeous steering wheel. And then, you know, nice setup on the gauges for the speedometer there of our RPM, speed, battery voltage, hot, cold coolant temperature, and then we also have our, of course, our fuel. So she starts right up, 145,000 original 2-owner miles. Revs up nicely, it idles smoothly. See our outside temperature working there. So the AC is nice and ice cold, just beautiful AC. So very nice. Everything's properly working. Speakers sound a little flat in this one, but other than that, I can't find anything else to complain about, because this one is such a well-kept FJ Cruiser and everything's properly working. I mean, look at this stunning vehicle. Buy this today, give it another 5, even 10 years, you'll see these vehicles will be very, very valuable. So come on down and see us. This is not too often we get the FJ in. This is only our second FJ we've ever been able to comfortably get, because we like to keep them under 20,000, so that's where this price point is. Very good price point, very good vehicle, very well kept, ready for the road. It's total turnkey vehicle. You have nothing to be afraid of. This is a beautiful, beautiful FJ Cruiser. If you've ever been curious, this is the one to get, folks. So come on down and see us, Meticulous Motors. You can find this beautiful 07 FJ Cruiser exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.